Okay. Are you Tasnim?
Yes, my name is Tasneem.
Okay, that's fine. So what class do you study?
I study in class 7.
Okay, what's your school's name?
My school's name is Cantonment Public School and College, Lavely.
Okay, that's fine. We learned so many structures and so many situational spoken, right? Okay, so today I gonna give you will be able to, right? So what's that?
We can express our future ability, capability, or eligibility by using will be able to.
Okay, that's fine. So what is the sentence structure?
Sentence structure is subject plus will be able to plus main verb plus extension.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, now you make a short presentation using will be able to.
Assalamu alaikum. It's a truly great honor for me to be here today. I think all of you are very happy and well enough by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also pretty fine as well. It's a tremendous privilege for me to tell something in front of you, but I'm not a permanent speaker, so please pardon me if I have any mistakes during my speech. By the way, today I'm here to talk about my daily activities by using able to. I will be able to wake up early in the morning. I will be able to clean my face. I will be able to brush my teeth. I will be able to take my morning breakfast. I will be able to prepare myself for the school. I will be able to go to school. I will be able to attend the classes. I will be able to take my lunch. In the afternoon, I will be able to play with my friends. I will be able to study for some hours in the evening. I will be able to take my dinner at night. I will be able to go to sleep early at night. Well, that's all for today. I really enjoyed meeting all of you. Pardon me if I have any mistakes during my speech. Till then, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, that's fine. It's outstanding performance.
Thank you.
Okay, so what the question structure can you say?
Will plus subject plus be able to plus main verb plus question mark.
Okay, shall or will.
Inshallah.
Okay, will plus subject plus be able to plus verb base plus
Question.
extension plus note of interrogation. So give some questions.
Will you able to wake up early in the morning? Will you able
Will you
to
be able to?
will you be able to go to
Okay.
school? Will you be able to go to the mosque?
Okay,
Will
that's fine. Fine. Okay, what's your future plan?
I want to be doctor in future?
Okay, there are so many doctors. Okay, right. Okay, I love this.
Thank you.